Hey, David Tewksbury here at Almo E4. If you're not here, you better be online watching Hybrid. All right, I'm going to talk really briefly about our work from home and our podcaster kits. This is our Lyra by AKG. This is our K371 by AKG headphones. And then this is our Aura. These two are our USB microphones, HD microphones. The Lyra and the 371 come in this Podcaster Essentials kit. But also think of this in terms of work from home or work in a cubicle. One of the nice features about this kit is that if I plug my headphones directly into the USB microphone, I can not only hear the people that I'm talking with over Teams or WebEx, but I can also hear my own voice with these cans on. So in that small cubicle space, I'm able to talk softer because I'm able to hear my own voice after all day long of working remotely, right? So that's that. And then over here, we've got AKG, the P220, and the Soundcraft Notepad series. This is the 8FX. I can come directly into here, any microphone that I want to do, and then I've got a 2x2 USB that goes out to my laptop so I can do all of my recording remotely here. It comes with Ableton Lite 11 and gives you some effects too, some full-on Lexicon effects built in. So that's pretty much it for your hybrid work from home, podcaster, video blogger kind of kit. These also can be connected to an Android or an iPhone too as well. What's the best camera that we have? It's in our pockets on our phones, right? So you might as well hook one of the best microphones you can to it to be able to do what we're doing right here, because he's got a really nice phone that he's filming me on right now. Anyway, David Tewksbury, E4, I'm from Harman. For more information, go to harman.com. You can find out what all of our products do. Thanks for having me.